The next step to building a computer is installing the memory. Before you even begin installing the memory, you should look at what your configuration should be. To do this, look in the motherboard manual to see the recommended configurations for the amount of sticks that you have. Your recommended configuration may also be printed on the motherboard, so you can look for a diagram on the motherboard if your motherboard has it. The first step to installing the memory is to undo the clips at the ends of the RAM slots. To do this, simply push down on those clips until they've moved out of the way so that your RAM can be inserted. Once that is done, you need to find the alignment of your RAM. To do this, simply look at the notch of your memory slot and then look at the notch on your RAM stick to see how they should be aligned. Once you've found this alignment, insert the RAM into the slot with that alignment and apply pressure evenly on both sides. Keep applying pressure to the RAM stick until you hear a click. This click will tell you that the RAM has been properly inserted into the slot. The clips will also snap back up. Repeat this process for the other sticks of memory that you have.